guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a little short video regarding the stuff I ended up getting for PR. It's not, wait, let me rephrase that. It's PR packaging, but I bought it with my own money. There's that. Anyways, I'm going to be just showing two little things, and I wanted to make this quick little video just for it to be quick and fast, and for I can show you what I ended up getting. I actually bought this, like I said, and I just wanted to show you. I know that you guys love watching these unboxings of these makeup and all the stuff I end up purchasing, and I really wanted to share that with you. And I don't know why I'm tumbling with my own words, but let's get started with the video. As always, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like if you like these short little fast and quick videos. So yes, so the first product I ended up finding, obviously if you don't know me, I go on a scavenger hunt. I have so much fun finding products that I don't have in my collection, and I found this one. I am obsessed with this perfume. I have so many perfumes, and I know you guys have asked me for a perfume collection, and that's going to be coming up really soon because I have a lot to share. So I got this one, and it's so pretty, and it spins, and it was actually in perfect condition. And as you can see, it's so pretty. I don't even know if this was like, it said on the listing it was like it's a PR, but I think it was probably like a Macy's type of bundle. But it's so pretty. It just twists like this, and I really like the packaging. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what it's inside. Let me see. Wait. Okay, are you guys ready? It opens like this. Oh, and look how beautiful that looks. This is one of my favorite perfumes. I think like my top 3 perfumes will be this one. It's really sweet and makes you smell so good, so elegant, and I think you can never go wrong with this perfume. So this one comes with this beautiful packaging. It comes with the shower gel, body perfume, and I don't know what this is. And it's a body cream, and it looks so pretty. And as you can see here, it has glitter, and I really like it. I feel this is like a Christmassy vibe. So that's what I'm saying. It might be like a Macy's bundle. I have no idea. But I really love this perfume. So let me take it out just to show you guys, because I'm not going to spray it. It's not like you guys could smell it. Okay. Ooh, okay, maybe not. But I'll just show you a close-up, and that's how it looks. And if I want to close it, it looks like this. It's so pretty, and I'm definitely going to put it right up there. So, and I love the color pink, so I'm so excited about this one. Yay! So the next product I ended up getting was this Marc Jacobs Lipstick Jungle. It's a 13-piece lip cream collection. As I said, I think this is a PR, and I ended up finding it. I really like it. I don't think they sell this at Sephora. I haven't seen it, but it comes all of these colors. How pretty is that? Look at all the colors. Just gonna show you. So I picked this one up, and let's open it. Oh, and it has a little tassel. I love how glittery this is. It matches my nail. I feel like everything matches my nail. So I like the fact that it has the plastic on the Marc Jacobs right here, and it's gonna protect that. Now let's open it up. And I like this tassel. It's so pretty. Okay, so here it is. And this is how it looks in the inside. It comes with all, you can see a sneak peek of all the different colors. And this one's not matte. So let's just pick a few of them up. Ooh, this one is in the color Below. And it's this beautiful red deep color. As you guys know, I love reds. So having this deep red in my collection, I'm excited. This one right here is the color 276 and it's called With Love. And it's this beautiful bubble pink. I think this, I can pull it off in the summer. I would not use a bubble pink like this in the winter at all. But I really like that. I'm not going to swatch them, guys, just because I really want to do that on my own and test out the product. This one is called 216 Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. And it's this beautiful mauve color. How pretty that is. I feel it looks so much different than it shows in the camera. Obviously, I have the ring light, but it looks so pretty. And this one kind of looks like matte. Oh, it's my mother. Hi, Ma. Aquí abajo. The next one, this one says 244 Sonic Truth. And it's this beautiful taupe. It looks more pink on camera than what it is on real life. So yeah, I didn't show you guys all of them because then we would be here 1,000 years. But I ended up picking up random ones just to give you a glimpse of how everything is. And I can show you the box again. This is how the packaging looks, and then all these colors came inside. And I'm really, really excited to have this in my collection. As always, guys, don't forget to give this video a like because it helps you girl out. And yes, until next time, bye guys.